Jaja. We're in the month of February now, my people. Yeah, man. February now. I dropped the video yesterday. See how much people get dead at Jamaica. Seeing? February now start off good same way. Yes, them lick up. What, about 6 somebody get shot up. Where them say place them there in Kingston? Where they place them? I don't know they place them L0V3 lane or where one here, keep walk or something like that. But them say 3 fatally. 3 dead. Tough. Not a good look. Now, wake up this morning. See a report come to me. NEWLINK. You know, see a man killing woman in Manchester again. And kill your woman friend. Do my research on it. And news I reach NEWLINK, say NEWLINK. See the man here now. Yeah, he was on the run. But police hold him because the police them react quick. Because after 2 a.m. explosion was heard in the community in Manchester where this took place. People call the police. Police come very quick. And them figure out so the man must have be and then block the 2 border them where him can drive out and so them catch him. Shortly after him do the incident. One of the female is 39 years old. You understand? Who them say is a hairdresser. The other female is 35 years old. Who them say she is a bartender. Well, the one who is 39, it's her house and she have 3 kids in there. I think the age of 13, 8 and 5. If I'm not wrong. You understand? But something like that. In the end, none of the kids was harmed. They were still in the house. The 2 female was dead. I don't know what, but news reached NEWLINK that the man was in a relationship with the owner of the house, which is the 39-year-old lady. And the other lady is her friend. Don't know what type of friend, if a girlfriend or something. No, I don't know. Can't judge. But it said that shortly before 2 o'clock, the man pulled through the window blade, through the kitchen, and come through it and shoot the 2 females, then go back out. And that's so, you know what I mean? Kill them dead. 2 female. In the end, people, Manchester used to be one of the most quietest place in Jamaica. Not gonna say they don't have murders in Manchester, but one of the parish you could have say, you know, say, I want to see if this place I made I go live because too much violence in there. But now, all females in Manchester must be scared of, man. Because back up in 2019, there was so much murder recorded in Manchester where it's domestic affair where man a kill woman and then something there. I say where woman kill man said we in Manchester. And now to start off 2020 people. This is what happened. This is what's been going on. Very sad and very terrible. What wrong with these man now? And look into these people. Them say the man and the woman in a relationship, they have problems, right? Them say this woman is our friend. So basically, he want to get rid of the friend too and he want to get rid of the woman because maybe, I don't know if the friend take away the woman from him. It can happen. Yeah, woman and woman do them something to not true. And I don't know if the friend are convinced our friend to leave the man feel hurt and threatened by that and decides, you know what, that girl left it dead, you know, and that girl them was shot the life, you know. And just go bust out the 2 of them head and then go through the window. Because I know so the 2 of them they want maybe in there in some bush and watch them and so when the 2 of them go in there and I saw him go in there and curl the 2 of them. 2 beautiful females gone. In the end, that's not the answer, Jamaica. Man killing woman and do them something there and that's not the answer. I say that every day. That's not the answer for your man to finish him life by taking a woman life out there. Because there's so much woman out there in this world. You get me? I say every corners, every cribs you turn, there are woman and there are beautiful woman. There are so much beautiful man in this world. You know what I mean? There are so much good woman out there. And no matter what you spend on a woman, you choose to do that and I say it all the while. And it goes for woman as well too. I mean, I go pick no side. You have some woman out there, I'm talking all the while. You intend to use man and take what man have. You understand? And then you want this man run man. I'm telling you, not every man is the same. Not every man have the same mentality. You have some man who maybe can take it and go one side, go cry, or go one side, go drink you up and go link with them, bridging them and move on. But some man, they are crazy, they are cracky, them loco. You understand? Them head no good. And them are going to take it in. Different card, simple thing, they make a call and say, yo, my dog, you know, someone want peace card, the girl does this, man, that a dog, you know, in a business, kind of even check for friend, because in the end, you know, things say friend, I go kill the woman and go press the, you know, you're going to say, yo, what, my dog, this, and give me peace, and you going to do it, man. Or maybe you have your own peace too. But I'm just saying, see, people need to wise up. Man, them, on the need to wise up. Woman, on the need to wise up and be more cautious with one another. Take more precaution, because in the end, some of you cause death for yourself. We should give no man the right to kill a woman. But in the end, if you know say something one can prevent, just like how them say, speed kills. Just like they say, if you drive without seatbelt, you have a more chance of dead. So then say, you will put on your seatbelt and cut down by your speed. Don't drink and drive. And you will breach the act and go do it and dead. You understand? Them set the rules, and if you follow them, maybe you could have lived. Because most of the accidents them sometimes are because people broke the rules. You get me? I say, whether speed, whether drinking, or whether not having a seatbelt, it can't be by that. You can say, I buy using telephone and not drive and then something and not focus. You understand? You can't be by which NEWLINK do be rich at that thing. You know, yeah. But I'm just saying, people. So the rules, them did there. A man need to follow them. Woman said we. But not the end, people are cause it upon themselves. Because them, some of them feel like them are general and them are user and them are player. And I'm telling the woman and can't keep on and do it. Enough woman me have boast and talk much money they rip off a man, how much things they get out of idiot man and the man a fool man, you know. You understand? You see the rate how things are go. You see how the rate how things are go. All I can say is, people, I just want to send up my deepest condolences to the family of these two females. Two beautiful females who gone. You know what I mean? May their soul rest in peace. You know what I mean? It's sad, it's terrible, but what can I do, NEWLINK? Only can't talk. I hope you listen. I hope you do listen. But before I ever close off the vlog, I just want to say something. I did cover a story, I think. The story about a male. You understand, in a place up in a St. Andrew, the way they day party and them say get stabbed and him woman there yard and this and that. You know what I mean? Yeah, man. And we see some people that video there. I remove that video, you know, people. I don't remove it. I don't remove that video because our people are commenting and saying, NEWLINK, get this, spread wrong information like that. I remove that video. You know, I remove that video just to get in the backside of my shit. To be honest, because I never like someone on the comment sometimes. Because sometimes the comment, they don't make no sense. You get me? I say, because when we know about enough people are here at Jamaica now. See, not because somebody may die and them are their friend and then do their shit. Then try to cover up the shit what their friend used to do. Or when the friend die, you understand? But they want the friend to look like he was good or that do something good when they know so the friend do it. Because I can tell these people, I'm not joking, most information and news are report on are people who depend on the spot who get them things from. We have video, we have evidence, you understand? Just show me they really publicize certain things. And sometimes people are link me and I say, NEWLINK, send me that video, send me that video. And I tell you honest truth, maybe more send you, maybe I not go send you. If I feel like me send you, and if I feel like I not go send you. So don't expect so you know link me and say, send me the video. It's a must to go and get it. It depends on how I feel. Or I feel like that video they can send to somebody. But most of them stop me people. So a fax me I tell them some people go and come pretty up. You have some family member who jump in. What do you know? When I do a story now, I see a woman jump in and I say my brother. So when somebody now jump on in the comment section and the person starts to say, which brother you be to that person? Because me know everybody you know now. Me no mean blood brother. And my sister, baby father, me just call him my brother, I see it. And I come across NEWLINK about your brother. You see it? Someone just come out to make trouble and problem. We don't go pitch over this. Because I need not attack on you. You know what I mean? But I don't know anything of my viewers and my subscribers, man. We always give thanks to life as usual on a daily basis. And I do appreciate everyone for the love and the support. As I tell you, because you know my number one player, you know my number one support, you know my number one everything. You know what I mean? But in the end, people, me I beg God for make 2020. Me see start off rough, me see start off wicked. And if it continues so for the rest of the year, people just put at a margin. Say, if we have 116 murders in January alone, and it come down, so boom, and every month we get 116 people. And check the end of the year how much murders we have in Jamaica. Kind of look good. You know what I mean? Some of us I beg Jah for pray and say, yo, Father God, this crime thing and violence can use, but you know is. But me know even cut it down, please. You know what I mean? Push something at them on the heart, make them just only just easy, you know, people. You don't know the thing of people. There, give your thanks to life every day. And hope you do the same to, because nobody knows what tomorrow may bring. We're there today, and you're just gone tomorrow. You know what I mean? You're there strong, you're there good, and you just don't know. You just don't know, because those two ladies who gone now, people. One year just a one bartender. Who to tell the bartender they are working night and feel so good and joy, while you're just a do much cheer and feel so nice and have plans to go do also next year tomorrow. And see, you know, two of them just gone. You know what I mean? So nobody knows, people. You know what I mean? Nobody knows. That's what I'm telling you every day. You see the person them who no say wanna love, wanna show them the love. Hug them up. Make them feel in the love and say real. And I just tell them, but text them with something I wanna say, some quotes, and share the quotes and say quotes say, me love you or this and that, and the end and make it stay like that. No. Tell them straight up, because in the end, people, love her from the heart. Peace out.